Hello and welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about what is a VPN as well as give you a full definition that will help you understand what exactly is a VPN and how it works. For the start, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network and it's a tool that lets you encrypt your connection and protect your online identity. A VPN lets you connect to a server in another country, which gives you a new IP address, hiding your real IP. In return, any website or app you're using sees you as if you were located in that quote-unquote new country. When you're connected to a VPN server, a VPN provider will use military-grade encryption to protect your online connection, but also tools like DNS and IP leak protection and a kill switch to make sure that your original IP never leaks to the public eyes. In simple terms, you route your connection through a server of a VPN provider rather than the server of your internet service provider, making your traffic unreadable to your internet provider. This way, you can browse the web anonymously with no one limiting your bandwidth or censoring online content, tampering with your browsing experience. Best of all is that VPNs are very cheap and are usually paid on a monthly basis, although you can pay upfront for a long-term plan, which will save you a lot of money in the long run. Being so cheap, VPNs are great for preserving your privacy online, but also gaining access to numerous geo-restricted websites, apps, and platforms, which significantly improves your internet experience. Not all VPNs are great, however, and some will bring you more harm than good. But don't worry, in this video we are going to talk about what is a VPN and its uses, but also give you our favorite VPN picks so that you can be sure that your online privacy is in the right hands. Without further ado, let's extend our VPN definition and talk more about the use cases. We have 6 of them today. The first point we want to talk about is streaming. If you're like most people, you love streaming shows and movies online, but also sport events such as football, MMA, NBA, WRC, or perhaps cricket. Unfortunately, many streaming platforms are geo-restricted to particular countries, so if you're not located in the quote-unquote eligible country, you won't be able to access your favorite content. For example, Netflix offers different catalogs depending on your location, so a particular movie or show might not be available in your location. BBC iPlayer, for instance, is available for people located in the UK, while Hotstar is available only in India. Nevertheless, if you encounter an error message that looks like this, it means that you can't stream the content you want. In that case, you can easily use a VPN to change your IP address and make Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, or any other platform believe that you're located in the country that can access these platforms. As a result, you can, for example, enjoy movies on Hulu or enjoy a TV show that you couldn't find on your Netflix catalog. If you're downloading a torrent file right now, you're probably wondering, why the hell would they use a VPN for torrenting? Glad you asked. Torrenting is an online activity that can be very dangerous if you're downloading copyrighted content from different torrenting websites. By that, we think about games, shows, or even songs and music albums. Depending on your jurisdiction, anti-piracy laws might be very strong, so if you make a couple of mistakes, your ISP will see that you downloaded copyrighted files and report it to the copyright holder. From there, the copyright holder can sue you, and before you know, you're in legal quarrel with the copyright holder and the authorities. Believe me, chances of you getting without at least a hefty fine are slim to none, and depending on your location, you might get some jail time. We even proved that torrent sites themselves keep a database of users and their IP addresses, as well as the content they download, which they can later hand over to the authorities if they request so. To avoid all of this drama, a VPN can be used to hide your real IP address and replace it with a new one, which encrypts your traffic, making it invisible to the prying eyes. Doing so, you can enjoy torrenting and P2P file sharing without worrying about any of the issues we mentioned, as no one will be able to see your online activity and what you're downloading from torrent websites. If you're still wondering what is a VPN definition, we have another VPN use case that will help you grasp the concept. As mentioned, a VPN lets you unblock geo-restricted streaming sites, but also any other website and application. Let's say you're located in a country where you can't find PayPal on Google Play because it's not available in your country. Or perhaps you can't find the game you want on the Epic Games Store or Steam because it's not available in your location. What you can do is use a VPN, change your IP address to another country, and make these platforms believe that you're located in that particular country. In that case, you can just visit Google Play and download PayPal or any other application, or perhaps visit Steam or Epic Games Store and buy the game you want. Another VPN definition leads us to another point, and it's bypassing censorship. If you live in China, Vietnam, Turkey, Iran, Russia, or Iraq, you know how limited your internet space is. You can't visit basic websites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram if you're in China, for example, which limits your online freedom quite a bit. Even worse, China has its own censorship system in place, also referred to as the Great Firewall of China. So, it's pretty clear that some countries have limited online freedom because of this issue, and of course, a VPN can help you remedy this problem thanks to its encryption and the ability to change your location. Of course, you just need to connect to the server of your choice and make any website believe that you're located in another country. This way, you bypass censorship and you can access any website you want, including porn sites, gambling sites, or anything that was otherwise forbidden in your country. If you're a passionate gamer, you can find yet another VPN use case. Online gamers often struggle with games online due to bandwidth throttling imposed by the ISP, resulting in high ping and unplayable games. Or perhaps, if you want to play on a server in Asia and you're from Europe, you'll face sky-high pings that will make your gaming experience a nightmare because of your distance to that server. A VPN, once again, can help you fix both of these issues. First, by connecting to a VPN server, your ISP won't be able to throttle your internet speeds because it can't see your online presence. And of course, if you want to play on a server in a particular country, you just need to connect to a VPN server in that country and enjoy a smooth gaming experience. Not to mention avoiding DDoS attacks that can overload your network and kick you out of the game if some angry player decides to attack you in this way. But by hiding your IP address and encrypting your connection with a VPN, that can be entirely avoided. Connecting to public Wi-Fi networks is quite a dangerous practice that we all enjoy from time to time or even on a daily basis. Any public Wi-Fi network you connect to, whether it's in your favorite restaurant or bookmaker, poses a threat to your privacy. These networks are often unprotected and have no encryption, laying the groundwork for hackers that can steal your personal info, credit card funds, and social media passwords. Basically, a public router gives the same IP address to every user that connects to it, so a hacker can hack multiple devices without people even noticing it. But when you get a different IP address with a VPN, that's not possible because you're technically not a part of that public network since you're using a quote-unquote virtual network of your VPN provider. So, whenever you're using public Wi-Fi hotspots, make sure to always enable your VPN. Lastly, a VPN can also help you save money. How convenient, huh? Let's say you want to buy a flight ticket. Did you know that the prices of flight tickets depend on your location? Well, if you're located in a highly developed country like Switzerland, prices will be much higher than in Bulgaria, for example. The same applies to booking hotel rooms, where you can save dozens and even hundreds of dollars on your vacations. So, next time you go on a vacation, you can connect to a few VPN servers in different countries and see where you can find the cheapest flight tickets for your destination. Oh, and did you know that you can get Netflix cheaper depending on your location? We recently did a video about that, so click on the video in the top right corner to see how to do this. You now have the answer to the question of what is a VPN definition, but also VPN use cases. As promised, we'll shortly present our favorite VPNs that will let you do everything we mentioned in the video. Starting from the left, we have ExpressVPN, our favorite VPN that offers 3000 servers in 94 countries worldwide. ExpressVPN is known for its speed that will let you enjoy streaming, torrenting, gaming, and browsing without even noticing that you're using a VPN. Its security is also a strong point, offering military-grade encryption, IP leak protection, kill switch, OpenVPN support, and a certified zero-logging policy. ExpressVPN comes with 5 simultaneous connections on a single account, and you can install it on any platform, including iOS, Mac, Android, Linux, Windows, routers, and many more devices. This is actually the VPN we recommend for each of the purposes from the list, since it works with Netflix, has P2P friendly servers, and even lets you browse the dark web in complete anonymity. ExpressVPN currently offers a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, plus you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with it for any reason. If you want to get a special discount on ExpressVPN, you can do so by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or just click on the link in the description. Now, let's talk about CyberGhost. CyberGhost is a Romanian VPN with 7,000 servers in 90 countries worldwide, offering great performance and security, but also the ability to unblock geo-restricted websites. This VPN offers intuitive apps for all platforms we mentioned, but also 7 simultaneous connections on a single account. CyberGhost comes with dedicated servers for streaming and torrenting. However, you also get a VPN kill switch, split tunneling, and a variety of protocols such as OpenVPN, IKE v2, and WireGuard on certain platforms. Not to mention 24/7 customer support and a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is something you don't get on any other VPN on the market. CyberGhost is able to unblock different Netflix catalogs, of course, and is great for gaming as well, but its downside is that it doesn't work in censored countries, so it's a really bad choice in this regard. That's why ExpressVPN is a better choice, as you can use it to bypass censorship. Nevertheless, to get this cheap VPN and enjoy its 83% discount on a 3-year plan, plus 3 months free on top of that, use the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or just click on the link in the description below. Lastly, we have NordVPN, and this is one of our favorite picks, which thankfully adheres perfectly to the definition of a VPN. It has 5,000 servers in 60 countries, offers an array of apps for all major platforms, and even lets you use its proprietary NordLynx protocol, making NordVPN the fastest VPN in terms of connection times. Moreover, NordVPN offers P2P friendly servers for torrenting as well as obfuscated servers for use in censored countries. 24/7 support is also here, and you get 6 simultaneous connections on a single account. Plus, NordVPN is great for streaming and staying secure online, especially if you're using a lot of public and untrusted Wi-Fi networks. If you don't mind the VAT taxes that can sometimes increase the price depending on your location, NordVPN is an affordable VPN that ticks almost all the boxes. You can get a 68% discount for the 2-year plan by using the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/nord1. Or if you want, just click on the link below to get it and enjoy its 30-day money-back guarantee, where you can get a full refund if you don't like it for some reason. So, you now know what is a VPN and the definition of a VPN, and basically, this is everything we had to say for this video. We hope you liked the video and that you're now educated on what is a VPN, so that you can make a rational choice when picking the one for yourself. Of course, we gave you the best choices, so feel free to get the one that suits you the most. With that said, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more VPN related videos are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye!